I can find unknown side lengths of polygons when given the perimeter. In Lesson 1, I went over what polygons and perimeter were, so if you haven't watched that and don't have a good grasp, go back to Lesson 1 and rewatch that video and practice some perimeter problems. Now here, you have the perimeter. I'm going to use perimeter equals P for all of this video, so understand when I say P equals, I mean that's what the perimeter is. In this case, perimeter equals 20. I have this shape, and you can notice my sides are labeled 3, 4, 5, 5, and N. Because I don't know. That's the unknown is N. I don't know the length of that side. But what I do know is how perimeter works. Perimeter is adding up all the side lengths. So I do 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus N equals 20. Well, I don't know N, but I can add up all of these other numbers. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 4 is 17. 17 plus N equals 20. Now when I think about this, I need to think about a fact family to figure out what plus 17 is going to give me 20. I know that N plus 17 equals 20. 20 minus N would equal 17 because I just do the subtraction problem in the family. Or I can also do 20 minus 17 equals N. And then again 17 plus N equals 20, which is what I started with. Right here is the one you want to think about, 20 minus 17 equals N, because you can actually do 20 minus 17. And you can see I did that up here. 20 minus 17 equals 3, so N equals 3. And if you went back through and you did 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is another 10 is 20, and your perimeter equals 20, so N has to equal 3. In this case, our perimeter is 27. We have this shape here. It has 6 sides. We have 4, 3, 6, 4, 3, and N. So I know that 27 equals 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus N. When I add all these up, you get 20. So 27 equals 20 plus N. Well, what plus 20 is going to give me 27? Use the fact family to come up with a subtraction sentence. 27 minus 20 equals N. Well, 27 minus 20, that's 7, so 7 equals N. And this side here has to be 7. This one I haven't solved for you. What I want you to do is to pause the video, know the perimeter is 24, one side is N, one side is 10, and one side is 8. Figure out what N is, play the video, and see how you did when I solve it for you. Alright, so 24 equals 8 plus 10 plus N. The first thing I want to do is add up the sides I know. So 24 equals 8 plus 10 is 18 plus N. Now I want to use fact families and knowledge of numbers. 18 plus what equals 24. To figure that out, I can do 24 minus 18, and that will equal N. Alright, 24 minus 18. I know that in my head, but if you didn't, you could just set it up like this. Regroup. Borrow a 10. You now have 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. 24 minus 18 is 6. 6 equals N. And I know that over here this would be 6. And then again, 8 plus 10 plus 6 should equal 24. You get back to your answer. You get back to your original perimeter. I can find unknown lengths of polygons when given the perimeter. So here's another polygon. You have a side of N, 3, 4, 6, and 7. The perimeter is 25. I want you to find N.